Welcome to Math 172 Online. Now, this is just going to be a short video on how to find things, what's expected of you, basically what everything looks like. So to start off this class, you're going to have to watch this video, and there will be a link up here after I'm done with it. And in the video, there's a password so that you can take the icebreaker, which is not graded into your final average. Once you take the icebreaker, that enrolls you in the class officially, and you can start doing some other things. And one of the things that opens after you do is this part here, the prerequisite materials and the pretest. When you first open this class, the only thing you'll see are the top two things, the course syllabi and whatnot from the course and instructor info, and the assignment calendar and tutoring appointments will also show up. But other than that, everything else is hidden until you take the icebreaker, and then this one will open up, the pretest. This one is another Moodle layered course. It has the preview material, so you can look at older material from Math 171 to kind of catch up on what's in the pretest. There's a video on how to enter answers into Moodle's quiz type. There's a PDF on how to enter answers, the syntax of it all. You need to do the before pretest to show you how to enter the answers and make sure you're entering them correct, and then you can open up the pretest and take it. After you take the pretest, Module 1 will open up, and this info for MyMathLab. Now the info for MyMathLab will have the course code, and by the way, this is not the course code for you, this is the one in the summer. So don't use this one and don't sign up for this one. It'll give you a video from Pearson about signing up for Course Compass. It gives you the link to Course Compass or MyMathLab. And if you encounter problems, there's a little PDF about it. This link here is also in all Moodle classes. There's a Smart Thinking online tutoring that you can sign up for. It's not through the college, it's a company outside the college. Alright, and then obviously Module 1 will open up, and this is what it's going to look like. It starts off with lecture videos. Now all the lecture videos for the entire chapter are in this link, and when you click on it, you'll have section 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5. It's very important that you actually watch these videos. They are in a classroom setting, so it kind of gives you a feeling that you're sitting there listening to a classroom lecture. I highly suggest you take notes to make things go quicker in your homework and quizzes and such. Besides that, in each one of the sections I have short videos. So some of the things I might have missed in my lecture videos, or some things that I find students still get stuck on, I try to put them into short videos. So this also opens up a YouTube, there we go, a YouTube page, and it has two short videos here. They're not very long. The first one's 2 minutes, the second one's 3, showing you how to do exponential graphs. Alright. So if we scroll down a little further, there's this 1.1. Now this 1.1 is literally the quiz for 1.1. So I don't want you doing it here until you do the MyMathLab homework, get used to what's going on, figure out how to solve the problems. Because once you enter quiz 1.1, you have to start answering questions that are much more complex than the basic stuff that you'll run in on the homework. And there's like 6 questions in here. Now the nice thing is, it'll tell you if you're right or wrong, and there's a video about this someplace. And if you get it wrong 3 times in a row, it'll tell you you're wrong, but then there's always this redo question here at the bottom. So these quizzes aren't really quizzes, they're still kind of like homework. The questions are a little bit harder, and I think some of them are better designed than the MyMathLab, especially when it comes to graphing. So you can always redo the question. The only thing that happens is the question will change. The numbers and sometimes actual physical question will change. but you'll at least be able to get 100 on every quiz if you so desire. All right, let's go back here. So it's basically layered that way: short video, the quiz, short video, the quiz, all the way throughout. Oops. There will be a password after 1.5. You take the quiz for 1.5, and at the very bottom here, I don't want to show you the password, but I guess you can back up and see it. It'll be the password for the first test. I think I'll have to change it anyways. All right, and that's pretty much how the class works. Now, to take the test, you just have to finish all the quizzes in here and all the homework in MyMathLab. So let's go over to MyMathLab. Let's see, where is it? Boom. Oh, I already have it open. So this is what MyMathLab will look like when you first open it up. Now, the only things of interest here are homework. So you just kind of click on these and it'll open up the homework, and you can start doing the questions. And it's basically MyMathLab stuff, asking some of the things that I'll be asking in your quiz. Hit save and it grades it for you. Again, you should be able to get 100 on it, but you only get 3 chances on these. So after the 3rd chance, you have to move on to the next homework. The other thing that's in here are your tests. So tests for module 1 through 4 is on here. They're timed. I think I gave 120 minutes each one, so it's plenty of time. You're going to have to take a picture of your work and submit it in Moodle for each one of these tests. So you're going to be showing all your work, take a picture with your phone, and submit the file into Moodle. You only get like 20 minutes to do that after you finish the test to get it submitted on time. So that's part of the